So friend, in this lecture we are going to see that how to add the two numbers in JavaScript. So for that we need to open the Visual Studio Code. In open Visual Studio Code we can create the one file. You can give the any name of this file. I just create a javascript.html. In that we just get the HTML tag. In HTML tag we have the head. Okay. In head we have the title, which name you want to give to your program. Okay, but this name is don't display in our browser. Okay, so you can give any name. So I give that addition of two number. Okay, so after that we have the body tag. Okay, in body tag, just a minute. Okay, in body tag we can create the two text. Okay, using the input element, input type text, and I will assign the ID for this each text, the name of the T1, and the second input type is a type text and the name is T2. I am consider that you know the basic about HTML. ID 2, and also I take the one button, and in button we have the one event. The name is onClick, means when we click that event, the one function will call. The function name is add load, and the name is submit for this button. Okay, after that we will take the one script tag. In script tag we just write the type, and in type we take the name, means which type of script. The script is TypeScript. Okay, if you want to add or get JS file in our application, we need to take the script tag. Okay, so here now we will take the text here by using document dot get element by ID. In get element by using T1 dot value, we want the value of this input field, so we will take value. After that where b is equal to document dot get element by ID and T2 dot value. Okay, and then just we display here document dot write in between A plus B, and we go to the browser. Okay, we first of all we will save it and go to the browser, go live. This is the extension. Otherwise you can directly open your HTML file. So here is the two text. Okay, the one is I will take the 3, or you can take any value, and 12, and just submit. You see, didn't happen here. So what's the wrong with our program? So now we will see. So you can see that there is a failed to load resource. The server responds with a state of page not found. Load is not a defined at HTML element. So what here? Load. Okay. We just write the function. Function. Sometime I will forget. Load. Okay. So in load. Okay. So now again we run the program. 3 plus 12, we need the 15, but again the some error is occur. Okay, 3, and we bind our value. So now what's wrong is here. So we need to, if you know what's the data type of our variable, so if you want to check that, document dot write and just use the type of is the function which is used to check the what the type of our data. So I just show you what's the type of our data. Submit. You see string. Our a variable is a string type, but we want to perform the addition of two numbers. So for that we need to convert that string data into integer. So for that we have the one method in JavaScript, which is parseInt. Okay, in parseInt okay. Now our programming is done, almost done. 3 plus 12 15. Okay, now again we do anything. 100 plus 100 200. Okay, bro, now you will see that our program is done now. So if you like, then subscribe my channel and please click the like button. Okay, thank you.